part of what the work that I do is we use particular sounds to open up the voice. They're usually awful sounding, barnyard animal replicating, ridiculous kid sounds, but that are also highly targeted and highly effective sounds that we can use that really change the voice. But it's not just the sound of the voice that changes. In using these substitutions, you can also feel the difference of how it opening or focusing and placement. And so with that experience, you can use it as a template that you can overlay on a song that you're working on and thereby shift and improve and really just expand the richness of songs through messing around with weird sounds.